Hola, hola. So the next special letter we have coming up is la letra G. Now this has 2 stars, right? This is a very new concept for many of you. La letra G. This is one of the rarest or the oddest letters in Spanish. It has a similar concept as in English, so it has like, it keeps the sound with the A, right? Ga, very easy, this one, right? Just like in English, gas, right? Ga. Then we have go, again same, like go, let's go. And then gu, as in Gus, like a name, right? Gus. But then in Spanish we don't have the sounds J and G as in English, right? This would be something like geography and gin tonic, right? We don't have that sound, that J sound. We actually have a strong H sound. That's why the name is G and not J, for example. So gagogu has a normal G sound. Then jeji has a stronger H sound. So let's look at some examples here. We have then, for example, gordo. Sorry, we have gas. Okay, just like in English, gas. And we have gordo. That means fat or big, rather fat. And then Gustavo, right? Like Gustav or like Gus, right? The name. So that's pretty clear. Ga, go, gu, just like in English. But then when it comes to jeji, okay, jeji, we have to make some adjustments here. So let's put this here actually. So that's for gagogu, gas, gordo, Gustavo. And then we have here, for example, the name Germán, G, you see, Germán. And then we have the word gym, you say gimnasio, okay? So yeah, that can be odd for some of you, gimnasio. Now here comes another rare concept. What happens if we want to make a soft G sound with the E and the E? Like, how can I write down the sound ge or gi, right? In English you just say something like gi, right? So you don't make any adjustments, you just have to know the word. In Spanish we do make adjustments. So for us we put a U in between the E and the E, so then this is ge, right? This is ge. This has a G sound, ge. It is not gue, right? It is not gue. Just like, for example, in guerra, that means war, we say ge, guerra, okay? And then same idea for the I, for the Spanish I, gi. So gi has also a G sound, and it's the first part of my name, right? We have Gi. My name is Guillermo, right? So this is the first part, Gi. We can also see it in the word, for example, aguinaldo. It's what we give children, that in Christmas, when you go to the when you're a kid and you go to people's houses and you sing, they give you some money, right? We call it aguinaldo. You see, gi, aguinaldo. So then yeah, it's going to look something, let's organize it better. So it's gonna look something like ga, go, gu, and actually ge, gi, right? That's gonna be the g, the guttural sound. And then we're gonna have the ge and chi as the strong H sound. I'm pretty sure it was very clear and you understood it, but then it will take some practice, right, to get it, you know, totally right. Now I am going to there is another concept. It is really, really rare. I'm just gonna, you know, go ahead and say it. You can stop the video right now and go to the next one, but you know, for the curious ones, we do have this sound, like this composition also. It is really, really not common, so I mean, it's just, you know, for curiosity. So that's if we actually want to pronounce the U between the G and the E. So for example, if I want to write pinguino, right? Usually, if I do like this, pinguino, actually we would read it like pinguino. You can see here, right? The GUI makes G. Now, if I want to say pinguino, like penguin, right? This U, I have to put this on top. I have to put this little 2 dots on the U, right? Pinguino. I don't think I know any more words that have this kind of adjustment. Just, you know, just so you know. So always GUI, GUE, GUE, GUI, it's G and G. I think that's the hardest thing to understand here. G and G. And then if you see two dots on the U, it's because we are actually pronouncing the U. GUE or GUI. Alright? So I hope that was clear, and I'll see you then in the next video.